How to use Claude Code for free. Claude Code is the most powerful coding agent on the planet right now, and it's eating people's wallets alive. But there's a quiet way around it. Open source, one model, zero cost. Almost nobody is showing the full setup. You're about to see it laid out start to finish. Hey, I'm Skylar. I dig into the AI tools people are quietly using to get more done without burning hours or budget, and I show you the exact moves to copy. Today, I'm walking you through the cleanest way to run Claude Code completely free, the model that makes it work, and the system you can wrap around it so it actually remembers your work. I'll also show you the 4-piece stack that turns this from a cool trick into a real workflow. One section in the middle is the part most people skip, and it's the reason their setup falls apart on day 3. Let's roll. Quick context first, in case you haven't used Claude Code yet. Claude Code is Anthropic's terminal-based agent. It opens in your command line. You type what you want in plain English. It reads your code base, edits files, runs commands, and handles Git for you. It's not a chat window. It's an actual worker that takes action on your machine. That's why developers love it. That's also why it gets expensive fast. Anthropic's pricing on Claude Code is around $3 per 1 million input tokens and $15 per 1 million output. Opus costs more. Daily use stacks up quickly. For people just exploring or for creators building content, that wall hits hard. Now the workaround. There's an open source project on GitHub by a developer called Alisharyar, one called Free Claude Code. It's a proxy. Think of it as a routing layer that sits between Claude Code and any model provider you want. Claude Code believes it's still talking to Anthropic. Your request actually gets handed off to a different model. The answer comes back. Claude Code doesn't care. You keep the full agent experience and swap out the engine underneath. The project supports 6 providers: NVIDIA NIM, OpenRouter, DeepSeek, LM Studio, Llama.cpp, and Ollama. For a fully free hosted setup, OpenRouter is the clean choice. Now the model. The one to point free Claude Code at is called Owl Alpha. It's hosted on OpenRouter at no cost, with a 1 million token context window. That alone makes it one of the largest free models you can find. It supports tool use natively, which Claude Code requires to actually run as an agent. It's tuned for code generation, and the OpenRouter listing confirms it works with Claude Code directly. That's the combination almost nobody is talking about. 2 things to keep in mind. The free tier limits you to around 200 requests per day, or 1,000 if you add $10 of lifetime credit. Prompts may be logged by the provider for model improvement, so don't push private client data through it. For learning, building, content work, and prototyping, it handles everything. Now the setup itself. I'll keep this tight. You start by cloning the free Claude Code repo from GitHub. You copy the example env file and paste in your OpenRouter API key. You set Owl Alpha as your active model. You spin up the proxy on port 8082. Then in your terminal, you set Anthropic_base_URL to point at localhost and Anthropic_auth_token to any value you want. Open Claude Code. The agent runs like normal. Your requests now route to Owl Alpha. The model bill drops to 0. The repo also extends Claude Code into VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and even Discord and Telegram with voice notes. Meaning, if you want to send Claude Code a task from your phone while you're out, you can. This could be used to build out a full beginner tutorial series showing exactly how to install free Claude Code, designed to bring new people into the AI profit boardroom. You could feed Claude Code the entire GitHub README and let it draft scripts, captions, and hooks for the whole series in one sitting. That kind of helpful, specific content is what attracts the right audience into the AI profit boardroom. Here's where the story shifts. A free Claude Code setup on its own is useful, but Claude Code has a memory problem. Every session starts fresh. You re-explain your project. You reload your context. The agent gets smart. You close the terminal, and it forgets everything. That's the limit of using it raw. The video this is based on solves it with something called Agent OS. Agent OS is a unified dashboard. It pulls Claude Code together with other agents like OpenClaw, Hermes, and Gemini, and runs them side by side. All those agents share one brain. They all see your project context, your voice, your previous work, your decisions. You stop tab hopping between 5 different AI tools and start operating from one workspace. The brain layer is built from Obsidian. Obsidian is a free note app. Every note is a plain markdown file. Inside Agent OS, your Obsidian vault becomes the shared memory across every agent. Your offers, your SOPs, your transcripts, your brand voice, your client notes, your product roadmap, all sit inside as structured notes. When you ask Claude Code to build something, it reads the vault first, takes in the context, and then acts. The notes link to each other with double brackets, turning the vault into a graph the agent can walk through like a map. Every output gets shaped by your actual business, not generic guesses. 3 quick reasons this setup beats running Claude Code alone. First, memory carries across sessions. Default, Claude Code resets between runs. Agent OS keeps everything in the vault, so each session builds on the last. Second, multiple agents under one roof. Different agents handle different jobs, all reading from the same context. No more pasting between 5 tools. Third, built-in workflows. There's a studio module for image, video, and voice generation, Kanban for tasks, SEO tools, journals, a status monitor that shows what's healthy and what's broken. The agents trigger those workflows, and the outputs flow back into the vault. Imagine running this to map out the full onboarding journey new AI Profit boardroom members go through on day 1. Claude Code could pull from your vault, draft the welcome messages, plan the first walkthrough, and lay out the resource path in one pass. New AI Profit boardroom members would land inside and instantly know where to go next. Now here's the catch nobody warns you about. Watching the setup is one thing. Actually getting free Claude Code, the OpenRouter routing, the Obsidian Vault, and the Agent OS dashboard wired together on your machine is where most people stall out. The env file misbehaves. The proxy starts, but Claude Code can't see it. Your vault loads, but Claude Code reads only part of it. One wrong slash in your config, and the whole thing fails silently with no error message to chase. This is exactly why I built the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you get the Claude Code walkthroughs broken down step by step. You get the free Claude Code setup tutorials that route to OWL Alpha cleanly. You get the Agent OS roadmap, the Obsidian Vault structure I use, and the prompts that load context properly. You get live coaching calls where you can share your screen and get unstuck the moment a config fails. And you get a 30-day roadmap built around this exact stack, so you always know the next move. If you want a guided path to running Claude Code free with Agent OS on top, instead of digging through a GitHub repo alone, that's what's waiting for you inside. Okay, let me lock in the mental model now. The whole system breaks down into 4 pieces. Piece 1, the model. OWL Alpha on OpenRouter. Free, 1 million token context, tool use ready. Swap to NVIDIA, NIM, DeepSeek, or local Ollama models when you want. The model layer is interchangeable. Piece 2, free Claude Code, the proxy, the routing translator that makes the whole free setup possible. Without it, Claude Code only speaks to Anthropic's paid endpoints. With it, you control the path of every request. Piece 3, memory and connections. Obsidian holds your long-term context as markdown notes. MCPs are little plugins that let your agents talk to other tools. Calendar, email, project boards, Vault gives memory. MCPs give reach. Piece 4, the dashboard. Agent OS sits on top. Studio for media generation, Kanban for tasks, SEO tools, journals, status monitor. Every agent and every workflow run from one screen. Snap those 4 pieces together and you stop being someone who uses AI tools. You become someone running an AI workspace. Quick tips before I wrap. Tip 1. Never push private client data through the free OWL Alpha tier. Prompts can be logged. Stick to content, learning, prototypes, and internal work on the free tier. For sensitive jobs, route to a paid provider through the same proxy. Tip 2. Watch your daily limit. The free OpenRouter tier caps near 200 requests per day. $10 of lifetime credit pushes you to 1,000 per day. Small upgrade, much bigger ceiling. Tip 3. Never add /v1 at the end of your Anthropic_base_URL. The proxy expects the root URL. This single mistake silently breaks the entire chain and costs people hours of debugging. Tip 4. Layer your build. Don't try to wire up the full stack in one sitting. Get free Claude Code routing to OWL Alpha first. Run one real task. Add Obsidian next. Add one MCP after that. Stack it piece by piece. Tip 5. Mix model tiers. Free Claude Code lets you route Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku level requests to different providers. Heavy thinking to one, lighter calls to another. Cleaner speed, better balance. Tip 6. Structure your vault before you turn the agents on it. Folders for offers, SOPs, transcripts, brand voice, and projects. 10 minutes of cleanup now saves hours of messy output later. That's the whole picture. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you're serious about actually getting free Claude Code running on your machine without losing a weekend to broken config files, come into the AI Profit Boardroom. The Claude Code walkthroughs cover the install end-to-end. The live coaching calls let you share your screen the second something silently breaks. The prompt library has the exact context loaders that make OWL Alpha behave like a full Claude session. The 30-day roadmap takes you from a blank terminal to a fully working Agent OS, one focused step per day. Head to AIProfitBoardroom.com.